IFPC Disability Insurance Sweden app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Disability Insurance Sweden app is built to make managing your disability coverage seamless. Most users think it's only a digital policy viewer, but it actually allows claim submission, premium tracking, and instant access to policy details. Claims management is a highlight. You can upload forms and documents, follow the progress of your claim in real time, and get notifications at every stage. Premium tracking is simple, with reminders for upcoming payments and access to your full payment history. Policy details, including coverage limits and benefit amounts, are always accessible. Convenience is another strong point. You can update personal information or request minor policy changes directly in the app without needing to call customer service. This makes it ideal for busy professionals or anyone preferring digital management. On the downside, the app requires a stable internet connection and performance may slow when handling large files or accessing older claims. Advanced planning features, such as income replacement calculators or long-term projections, are not included, which could limit more detailed financial planning. In conclusion, the IFPC Disability Insurance Sweden app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing disability coverage. Its main strengths include streamlined claims handling, clear premium tracking, and accessible policy information. While it lacks advanced planning features, it provides all the essential tools to confidently manage your disability insurance.